Hello chefs, welcome back to ClosKitchen. I hope that your health is good and that life is treating you well. Now if you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So, I am so excited to do a review on this Sunseek 12 Ultimate Platinum Grade Silicone Straws. So let's check it out together. Have you guys ever used these straws, whether it is this brand or another brand? The straws comes with an information sheet that tells you how to maintain your straws and keep them clean. They are dishwasher safe. You can place them in boiling water to disinfect them. It's suitable for microwave oven, which I would not do personally. It can also sustain cold temperature. It is safe for kids. It also has a warranty for any defects. I will show you and tell you more about these straws throughout this video. So in this box there are 18 pieces including the straws. The straws comes in a variety of bright colors and I have a total of 12. These silicone straws are 8.5 inches long like the regular straws. They also can be cut for the kids. The straws come with two brushes the same length as the straws to clean the insides of the straws, since these are reusable straws. So y'all, these straws are bougie. They have their own travel cases. So you can use these pouches when you're traveling to hold your straws. The straws are very flexible and soft, so I am able to bend my straw to fit it into the small carry case. So I'm going to use my straws for my smoothies and other drinks like my iced coffee. These straws are very easy to maintain. You just slide the brush down the straw and pull it back up. And also you have to maintain your carry case if you use them. So before using it, I have to sterilize it. So now I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how I'm going to clean my straws after using it for my smoothie. So let me know in the comments below, would you rather use the silicone straws or the regular straws? I like them because they are reusable, which means they are eco-friendly, and I'm also saving by not buying any more straws for my household. And you guys know that I'm all about saving money. Once I'm done, I'm placing them in the cutlery basket in the dishwasher and I just let it do its thing. The straws are long enough to fit in a tall jar, a medium-sized jar, and also a tall glass. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite brand of coffee? So y'all, I just got hooked on to iced coffee. So let me know in the comments below if you are a iced coffee drinker or a hot regular coffee drinker. So guys, I like everything about these Sunseek straws. They are cost-effective, child-friendly, and they can tolerate any temperature. And this is not a paid promotion. I really enjoy using these straws. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this review. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.